So this is lesson 32 in Algebra 2, the second video, and we're jumping all the way to congruent triangles. So go ahead and skip the congruency 32 point B, and we'll jump to 32 point C as far as the book is concerned. And the example they give us, 32.5 here, the only example they give us is this one here, and they're asking you to find X and P. So those are what you're looking for. Now, some things that we know about congruent triangles, and notice we know that this angle and this angle are congruent because it has one little tick mark there, and this one has two and this one has two. So if two triangles are, if this angle and this angle and this angle and this angle are congruent, then the third one also has to be congruent. So you could go ahead and say, put 3 tick marks there showing that those are congruent as well. So the angles are congruent, which means that the triangles are similar. I mean, they're not necessarily the same size exactly, but they are similar, meaning the angles are the same. But this one has 6 and this one has 6, so you're probably going to find out that those both do have, in fact, this side is equal to this and this side is equal to that. Which tells me that if this side and this side are equal, I could probably pretty easily find my x, can't I? Because I can say that those two are equal. And I subtract 2 from both sides. Subtract 12x here. Negative 6x equals negative 6, therefore x equals 1, so that means the length of that, well, I'm just supposed to find out what x is, but then x would be, or this length here would be 6 times 1, so this would be 8, and this would be 12 times 1 is 12 minus 4, which is also 8, so yeah, they are the same size, but all we are asked to do is find that. Alright, so if that is the case, then I can take 4x plus 1 and say that's equal to p, and I can put 1 in here, because I know that's x, so I know then that p is going to be equal to 5. And that's the only example they give for that, and probably just because it is not a real difficult situation there. The only time you run into some difficulty is for part C, which we'll get to in the problem video in the next video.